Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro with a car. So first of all we need to open the settings, then we're gonna go to more connectivity options, and then over here if you scroll down you want to open Android Auto. This is the app that we want to use in order to connect with our car. Of course over here we have some options that we can go through, however the most important thing is of course this button, connect a car. If you go over here you will find the instruction of what you need to do in order to start connecting with a car. So if you can plug your phone into the vehicle's Android Auto compatible USB port, and if possible you can also use the wireless method. This is especially available for newer cars, or in actually newer cars. And once you can connect using the wireless method, then of course you will see you should be able to detect it in your vehicle. You can also try to use Bluetooth, so you can tap connect using Bluetooth and then pair a car in order to jump into the Bluetooth option or setting and try to detect your car over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!